When Peter first came in, he told me that he was petrified of needles. He had a loose tooth and he needed an implant to replace it, so everything had to be done under general anaesthetic while he was asleep. He later revealed that he's in a difficult predicament with his needle phobia. His endocrinologist advised him that his type 2 diabetes has progressed to type 1 and that he would require insulin injections, potentially for the rest of his life. Naturally, this was terrifying to him. But the timing couldn't have been any more perfect. From the dental perspective, I wanted Peter's diabetes under control, as it plays a major role in long-term success of dental implants, but also for his general health and well-being. We've had evidence for many years on how whole food plant-based nutrition can improve and even reverse diabetes in some cases. Peter was very keen to enjoy a healthy life, so he set out on a mission to change it. Over the coming months, his blood sugar dropped from 11.2 to 6.7 and stabilized at this healthy level. His cholesterol normalized, and his doctor even stopped his blood pressure medications. His liver, thyroid, and kidney functions are healthy too. Peter was kind enough to share his story with us. So Peter, on a couple of occasions you've told me that changing your lifestyle has been daunting and difficult. Would you mind sharing with people how you felt about the change and how you've managed to overcome the challenges?
So the main changes I incorporated was a plant-based diet for the purposes of controlling my weight, controlling my blood sugar, controlling my cholesterol, and I have the data that I've tracked for nearly 2 years now that shows in moving to a predominantly plant-based diet, I've been able to reduce my blood sugar from 15.5 to 6.5, 6.6 consistently over an 18-month period. I've dropped weight and kept the weight off from 86 kilos 2.5 years ago to now 68. I have a great deal of energy in the morning and throughout the day. And generally, I've been able to, with my doctors, specialist doctors' advice, come completely off of cholesterol medication and blood pressure medication. So in relation to injections and my phobia for needles, I came to Dr. Helen's because you had a reputation for being gentle with your patients, being empathetic about their phobia for needles. And I have to say, after I had one procedure under general anesthetic, but with your guidance, with your gentle way of administrating pain control, I'm no longer anxious about needles. I have my last procedure today, hopefully, for an implant. It'll be done under local, and I would never have contemplated that for 30 years with my phobia of needles. So I can genuinely say, if it wasn't for the way you handle me, the empathy shown, and the gentle way you actually, and the skillful way of administering local anesthetic with injections, I don't think I'd be here undergoing this again under a local. It would have to be another very, very expensive general anesthetic.
What else would you like to share with anyone who's watching this and wondering about what they can do to improve the quality of their lives?
So, dental care, you don't realize how important it is. And I realized after I was diagnosed diabetic on how important dental care is. So don't play with your dental care, take it seriously, see the professionals. 2, if you are on cholesterol and blood pressure medication, I'm here to tell you, and I have the data to show anybody if they need to see it, that a plant-based diet is absolutely viable and absolutely has benefits. Don't knock it until you've tried it.
Peter has been an absolute inspiration to all of us here at Dr. Helen's. Every time we see him, he looks healthier and healthier. and he has his blood test results to show for it. We appreciate Peter sharing his story with us and the rest of the community. I hope that Peter's story inspires you too. We like making these educational videos, so if you have enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.